At Restoration Complete, we're more than just a service. We're your trusted partner in residential and commercial restoration. Available across the entire state of Georgia, we're always just around the corner when disaster strikes. From homes hit by a storm to businesses affected by flooding or fire, our expertise spans all types. Our highly skilled team uses state-of-the-art equipment to ensure swift and effective restoration. We don't just repair, we restore, bringing your property back to its former glory or even better. With Restoration Complete, you're not just another job. You're our neighbor, our community, our business partner. Restoration Complete, your trusted partner in residential and commercial restoration, available throughout Georgia. Call or request a free consultation today. Restoration Complete, restoring residential and commercial losses of all sizes.